It's been a minute. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Hey guys, I'll make this brief. I want to give a shout out to a driving instructor from another school here in the Bronx. His name is Willie. He has been sending me sending some of his students over to the channel. Willie, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. I really hope that, your students get the information that they need, that I've been helping out and stuff like that. So if you came from the driving school, I don't want to mention the driving school, but if you came from the driving school that Willie works at, I know there's a lot of Willies out there, but that don't sound right. But anyway, if you came from the driving school that Willie works at, and you guys know who you are, I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. I hope some of this information that I have on the channel helps out. So, I'm basically your YouTube driving instructor. Yes, indeed, guys. Just to let you know that, I've been driving for 33 years now. Now it says New Year, so I've been driving for 33 years. I have my driver's license in 4 different states. I grew up in New Jersey. As a matter of fact, I have another video coming up that I'm driving to New Jersey, taking the George Washington Bridge. So I have that video coming up too. But anyway, I was a bus driver. Yeah. I was a bus driver, transit bus operator before I became a driving instructor, guys. I had my CDL for years, since 1998. And, been driving all this experience driving that you're watching or listening to a driver that has the experience for so many years. Had my license in, I think I mentioned it, or maybe I got caught off or something. I didn't finish it, but my license in New Jersey. I lived in Iowa for 10 years. I lived in Florida for not too long. And now I'm in New York. So that's 4 different states. Did I say the 4 states? New Jersey, Iowa, Florida, and New York. Yes, 4 different states. Yeah, so, welcome aboard, guys. If you have any questions about anything. But anyway, I don't want to keep you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, guys. It helps with the algorithm, whatever that is. Anyway, guys, take care. God bless. And be safe out there, guys. Later.